Hello guys, my name is David Emulu and you are welcome to this UI UX design course. So in this video, I will be introducing you to the term UI UX design. So what are we going to cover in this video? We are going to cover what is UI design, what is UX design, the difference between UI and UX design, what is product design, the differences and similarity between UI UX and product design, the basic types of product and the core softwares for UI design. So we start first by answering the question, what is UI design? So UI refers to user interface. So anytime you hear the word UI, it means user interface. And what is the user interface? A user interface refers to the visual tools that a user needs to interact with the product, while user interface design is the structure and layout of elements on a screen or web page. So examples of most of all these elements are images, text, button, icons, typography layout that you see on a regular web page. So the next time you visit a web page or any website and you see most of all these elements, so they are basically what makes up the UI. They are basically those tools that helps a user interact with a product. Without these tools, it will be hard for users to interact with digital products, or a web page because there's no button, it won't be easy for them to use because they won't know what to do next. Now let's talk about user experience design or UX design for short. User experience design is the process of enhancing user satisfaction by improving the usability and accessibility of the interaction between the user and the product. So what am I trying to say? Forget all those big grammar. What I'm trying to say is that UX design is simply how a person, the user, feels about interacting with or experiencing a product. So this talks about how the user feels about using that product. Does the product solve the user's problem? Does it help them complete their tasks? Is it very, very easy to navigate? Most of all those things determine if the user is going to have like a wonderful experience or a bad experience. So now let's take a deep dive into the difference between UI and UX design. So let's talk about UI. So UI focuses on the visuals. It talks about the colors, the layout, everything you can see. But if we're talking about the user experience aspect of a product, we're talking about the interactions. How does the user interact with this product? We're talking about wireframes. We're talking about prototyping, how a user moves from point A to point B. We're talking about information architect also. We're talking about user research. We're talking about the scenarios that the user is going to use this product. So user experience design deals more with the psychology of the UI, the psychology aspect of the UI. So now let's talk about product design. What is product design? So product design is the overall process a designer follows to seamlessly blend user requirements with business objectives or goal. So the number one goal of product design or a product designer is to blend the user requirements, which will be probably like, okay, the platform should be easy to use. They should be able to complete their tasks. On the other side of the table, we're talking about the business objectives too. Probably the business wants to get more eyes on the product or want to make more sales, all those things. The product designer or the goal of product design is to blend these two requirements together, both the business, satisfy the business need and also satisfy the user's need. So both parties are happy. The next thing we're going to talk about is the basic types of product. I want you to listen carefully because this will help you understand the difference or the similarities that exist between UI UX design and product design. So there are two types of products, the tangible product and the second one we have the intangible product. So these are the basic forms of products. So the tangible product are products that are basically physical products that can be perceived by touch, such as gadgets, vehicles, just like the image we have here. While intangible products, they can be perceived indirectly through a website or even a digital product. So next time you want to talk about product design, what is the difference or what's the similarity between product design? You need to have this in mind. A UI UX designer is a product designer. But not every product designer is a UI UX designer because we have different type of product design. We have people that design vehicles and those kinds of product designers, they deal on tangible products. But the primary thing is that a UI UX designer is a product designer, but in this case, a product designer that focuses on digital products, a product designer that makes only digital products. So finally, we're going to talk about the core softwares for UI design. So for this course, we're going to be focusing on Figma, but we have other UI design software like Adobe XD, Sketch, and the rest. But we're going to be focusing on Figma because Figma is widely used at the moment, and you can easily collaborate on Figma, and the platform is very, very easy to use. So see you in the next video.